This is Emma. Let's follow her day from morning to night. This is Emma. Let's follow her day from morning to night. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Emma wakes up and opens her eyes. Emma wakes up and opens her eyes. The sun is shining through her window. The sun is shining through her window. She stretches her arms and smiles. She stretches her arms and smiles. Good morning, she says quietly. Good morning, she says quietly. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Emma gets out of bed slowly. Emma gets out of bed slowly. She is ready to start her morning. She is ready to start her morning. First, Emma goes to the bathroom. First, Emma goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cool water. She washes her face with cool water. Then she brushes her teeth. Then she brushes her teeth. She looks in the mirror and combs her hair. She looks in the mirror and combs her hair. Emma likes to feel clean and fresh. Emma likes to feel clean and fresh. She puts on her yellow cardigan and jeans. She puts on her yellow cardigan and jeans. Now she is ready for the day. Now she is ready for the day. Okay, time for breakfast, she says. Okay, time for breakfast, she says. In the kitchen, Emma makes her breakfast. In the kitchen, Emma makes her breakfast. She has a bowl of cereal and some fruit. She has a bowl of cereal and some fruit. She pours a cup of hot coffee. She pours a cup of hot coffee. Emma sits at the table and eats slowly. Emma sits at the table and eats slowly. She reads the news on her phone. She reads the news on her phone. Breakfast is her favorite time of the morning. Breakfast is her favorite time of the morning. When she finishes, she washes her bowl. When she finishes, she washes her bowl. Now it is time to go to work. Now it is time to go to work. Emma puts on her shoes and takes her bag. Emma puts on her shoes and takes her bag. She locks the front door and walks outside. She locks the front door and walks outside. It is a beautiful sunny morning. It is a beautiful sunny morning. Emma walks to the bus stop on the corner. Emma walks to the bus stop on the corner. She waits there for a few minutes. She waits there for a few minutes. Soon the bus arrives. Soon the bus arrives. Emma gets on the bus and finds a seat. Emma gets on the bus and finds a seat. She looks out the window on the way to work. She looks out the window on the way to work. Emma arrives at her office at 9 o'clock. Emma arrives at her office at 9 o'clock. She works at a small company downtown. She works at a small company downtown. Emma sits at her desk and turns on her computer. Emma sits at her desk and turns on her computer. She checks her email and makes a list. She checks her email and makes a list. There is a lot to do today, but Emma is calm. There is a lot to do today, but Emma is calm. She starts the first task of the morning. She starts the first task of the morning. Emma likes her job and her coworkers. Emma likes her job and her coworkers. The morning goes by quickly. The morning goes by quickly. A coworker stops by Emma's desk. A coworker stops by Emma's desk. Good morning, Emma. How are you? He says. Good morning, Emma. How are you? He says. I'm doing well, thank you, Emma answers. I'm doing well, thank you, Emma answers. They talk about their weekend for a minute. They talk about their weekend for a minute. Then they both get back to work. Then they both get back to work. At noon, Emma feels a little hungry. At noon, Emma feels a little hungry. It is almost time for lunch. It is almost time for lunch. Emma is excited because she has plans. Emma is excited because she has plans. At lunch, Emma meets her friend Sophia. At lunch, Emma meets her friend Sophia. They go to a small cafe near the office. They go to a small cafe near the office. It is so good to see you, says Sophia. It is so good to see you, says Sophia. The two friends order sandwiches and iced tea. The two friends order sandwiches and iced tea. They talk and laugh about many things. They talk and laugh about many things. Emma tells Sophia about her busy morning. Emma tells Sophia about her busy morning. The food is delicious and the sun is warm. The food is delicious and the sun is warm. Lunch with a good friend makes the day better. Lunch with a good friend makes the day better. Soon, it is time to go back to work. Soon, it is time to go back to work. In the afternoon, Emma returns to her desk. In the afternoon, Emma returns to her desk. She makes one more cup of coffee. She makes one more cup of coffee. Emma finishes her most important task. Emma finishes her most important task. She feels happy and proud of her work. She feels happy and proud of her work. At 5 o'clock, the workday is over. At 5 o'clock, the workday is over. Emma saves her files and closes her laptop. Emma saves her files and closes her laptop. See you tomorrow, she says to her coworkers. See you tomorrow, she says to her coworkers. Then she leaves the office and heads home. Then she leaves the office and heads home. On the way home, Emma stops at the grocery store. On the way home, Emma stops at the grocery store. She needs a few things for dinner. She needs a few things for dinner. Emma takes a small cart and walks down the aisles. Emma takes a small cart and walks down the aisles. She buys some vegetables, pasta, and bread. She buys some vegetables, pasta, and bread. She also picks up her favorite tea. She also picks up her favorite tea. At the checkout, she pays with her card. At the checkout, she pays with her card. Thank you. Have a good evening, says the cashier. Thank you. Have a good evening, says the cashier. Emma carries her bags and walks outside. Emma carries her bags and walks outside. The evening air is cool and fresh. The evening air is cool and fresh. Emma walks home through the park. Emma walks home through the park. The trees are green and the sky is orange. The trees are green and the sky is orange. Some people are walking their dogs. Some people are walking their dogs. Emma takes her time and enjoys the quiet. Emma takes her time and enjoys the quiet. She thinks about her happy day. She thinks about her happy day. Soon, she arrives at her building. Soon, she arrives at her building. Emma goes up to her apartment. Emma goes up to her apartment. At home, Emma washes her hands and starts to cook. At home, Emma washes her hands and starts to cook. Tonight, she is making pasta with vegetables. Tonight, she is making pasta with vegetables. She cuts the vegetables into small pieces. She cuts the vegetables into small pieces. The whole kitchen smells wonderful. The whole kitchen smells wonderful. Emma cooks the pasta in a big pot. Emma cooks the pasta in a big pot. She sets the table for one. She sets the table for one. Then she sits down and enjoys her dinner. Then she sits down and enjoys her dinner. That was delicious, she says with a smile. That was delicious, she says with a smile. After dinner, Emma relaxes on the couch. After dinner, Emma relaxes on the couch. She reads a good book for a while. She reads a good book for a while. Later, she gets ready for bed. Later, she gets ready for bed. Emma brushes her teeth and puts on her pajamas. Emma brushes her teeth and puts on her pajamas. She turns off the light and lies down. She turns off the light and lies down. What a nice day, she thinks. What a nice day, she thinks. Emma closes her eyes and falls asleep. Emma closes her eyes and falls asleep. Good night, Emma. Good night, Emma. Thanks for learning English with Emma's story. See you next time. Thanks for learning English with Emma's story. See you next time.